Good morning. This is geography, and to learn the geography, if we know some basic principles of the geography, it is very easy and to reapply those principles to other concepts. So it becomes easier for us to understand the geography. So this particular concept, it talks about the concept of equator. Now you must be knowing that this is our Earth, and there is a central ideal or rather imaginary line which is marked on the center of the Earth. On one side of that line, there is Tropic of Cancer, which is again another imaginary line, and the other side of that particular line is Tropic of Capricorn. The Sun, which is there, is in relative motion with respect to the Earth between these two lines, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Now, while the Sun moves in this particular region, the rays of Sun, they are perpendicular to the Earth in this particular region, which is equator and just above and below the equator. So, when the light is perpendicular to this particular surface, the intensity of the light is more, and this surface is heated more. So, due to the heating, the rainfall, the vegetation, the amount of water available, and the forest, all these things are similar in this region. So, if we consider the globe, the total Earth, the total surface of Earth, the areas or the nations which are in this particular place, they are known as equatorial places. And all the other characteristics of these equatorial places, they are same. Similarly, another thing is that the nations which falls between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, they are known as tropical countries. Like our India is a tropical country, Brazil is a tropical country. So, if we learn any of one of these tropical countries, it is the things are similar for other tropical countries also. Thank you.